Hi there. Thanks for joining CPG Bytes, a series of short video segments from Treasure Data, where we chat about the latest news in industry trends and read between the lines to provide our perspective and insights. So David, my friend, what do you have for us this week?
Well, Stephen, I got to tell you, I'm super excited. There was this article that came out from McKinsey about a week and a half, 2 weeks ago, entitled "A New Marketing Model for Growth: How CPGs Can Crack the Code." And McKinsey produces such great insight and thought leadership, and there's a lot of really interesting points and insights that came out of this article. But there were three that I felt like were really pretty interesting and very, very relevant, I think, for where a lot of our CPG clients and prospects and the industry is at. And the first point they make is the fact that every brand is different, every company is different, and as companies are kind of assessing their needs for this new marketing model, they make the point that one size does not fit all. It's kind of down here, and they're talking about different data availability, right? Do you have first-party data? Do you have zero-party data? And they talk about this one size fits all approach. There is no one size fits all approach, and I think that's really, really important. One of the things that we can help companies with is essentially a data assessment, and something I'm working on right now is the ability to assess where you stand in terms of the ability to collect first-party data vis-a-vis a direct-to-consumer strategy. So that's something I think is really important.
Well, that would be a great tool for people to have, David. That's awesome.
Yeah, it's going to be very, very, very cool. A little bit of a foreshadowing there of something to come. The next thing they talk about, if I scroll down here a little bit further, is the need for, if you're going to create that 360-degree view of the customer or the consumer, or what we refer to as a single customer view, you need to have a data platform to put the data, which is essentially a CDP, which they call out right here. And for companies that are listening to this or watching this video that don't have a CDP right now, it may be kind of daunting. Like, where do you begin? Where do you start? And one of the assets that Treasure Data has created, which I think is enormously powerful, is an RFP template. So we've boiled down all of the requirements that you need to be looking for in terms of what a CDP can or cannot do, put it in an Excel document that you can use. It's free to download from our website, and use it to evaluate different technology vendors, different CDP vendors. So that's something I really encourage people to take a look at. Finally, you're kind of wondering, like, well, why bother? What's the point of all this? The point is there's value to be had here. And the value is, if I scroll back up, and these numbers are awesome, what McKinsey's finding is that companies they're building out that data-driven marketing capability at scale can deliver 3 to 5% growth in net sales and improve marketing efficiency by 10 to 20%. So you're hitting both levers, your growth, profitable growth, and you're also, through marketing efficiency, driving out costs. So it's a kind of like killing two birds with one stone, if you will, which I think is very, very, very powerful.
Yeah, no, and thank you for that. So McKinsey really just kind of highlighted the secret codes or the secret sauce to CPG growth, right? Every CPG brand has a lot of data, but like you said, not one size will fit all. There's not a tool that will fit everybody. So the advice is to get a data assessment and figure out which tool will fit you the best. It sounds like there are many tools out there, and try not to make a round peg fit a square hole, or the other way around, is to really find a solution that suits you and not you trying to fit into a solution. That's a really good advice. And that, once again, the secret sauce that McKinsey is highlighting is that the customer data is abundant, but what do you do with that customer data? How do you store it? How do you gather intelligence out of that, or actionable insights into that? You really need a tool like a CDP. It's not only a key component, it's really kind of the central driver to all these CPG brands doing fantastic things with their own consumers. And then, obviously, like you said, we have an RFP kit. Really, it's not just a guide, it's a whole kit that you're able to download for free. And I'll include that in the description below, that people can actually go there and download it at your spare time.
Excellent. Well, thank you, Stephen. I think it's a lot of good insight. I encourage folks to read the article and take advantage of the assets that we have on our website.
Wonderful. Thank you, David, for the insights today. And thank you for joining us. As David has mentioned, we are including a useful RFP kit for you to download for free in the description below. And if you're thinking about a data assessment or implementing a tool to help you with understanding customer data, well, let the RFP kit guide you to ask all the right questions and avoid some pitfalls along the way. And don't forget, for more videos like this, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the bell for all notifications. We'll be back again in 2 weeks with more topics for CPG Bytes. Please take care.
Thanks. See you. Bye-bye.